Mall. Henderson Homes. That looks better than what I've seen a lot of. And they have juice. Looks like fish. Not sure what that is. Some kind of soup. And of course you must have your fried rice. And then I think these are your desserts, side dishes.
What is up, you guys? I'm here with Adrian. Adrian, man, appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your time. Adrian, we are here in Bali Baga, Angela City. And what is life like here?
Well, life is hard, when you pay.
Season. Teriyaki. Soy. Garlic. Barbecue. Butter chicken. Caramel chicken, which I'm kind of interested to see what that tastes like. Onion chicken. Cheese chicken. Tongat chicken, I think. Crispy chicken. Ooh. Crispy chicken. And of course your selection of San Miguel's. I don't see Red Horse, but I see San Miguel Light. Nice, clean. They have fans. They have your, not sure what that is. They have Jello and potato chips. And they have a KTV. And they have a KTV room. So you guys come on down here to the Chicken Mall. They've got everything that you need. Come follow me and I'll show you guys a little bit more. You got some of your side dishes. We got fried rice. We got soup, snails, grilled fish, I think. I don't know what you call that, but it's like noodles, stuff in it. Potatoes, mushrooms, I think that's chicken. This is this top sirloin? Okay, this is top sirloin. That looks good. This looks like pork. Okay. And this is like looks like jambalaya with mushroom.
Seafood.
Seafood jambalaya or yeah. Seafood gumbo, something like that. And they've got
Fresh lumpia.
fresh lumpia. So you guys come on down here to the Chicken Mall. That is right. Chicken Mall, Resto Bar, and KTV. Great establishment. You can look around and see what it looks like. They've also got your drinks, cups, dishes. They can accommodate any size event that you want to have. And you can see right here on the wall where it says SMS Review Event. So you guys can contact them, let them know. And great price. This is where a lot of Filipinos eat. They're just getting ready to get started. See you guys later. JPTV 3000. Peace. Thank you. Salama.
Thank you, sir.